This video is going to show you how to, you're going to need to get Chrome, okay, Google Chrome. If you don't know how to do that, use AI, okay, but we're going to need an extension, okay, Chrome extension Honorlock. See, look, you don't even have to spell. So we're going to install it. So you need this extension so that you can take the online tests, and you also need Google Chrome. So you have to have Google Chrome first. So I guess I'm gonna have to do one more, say add to Chrome. I guess a third time. Okay. So now when I go up here, you see how I have that ready to go. All right, so I don't think this will work for me because I'm not a student. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here, and then if I can take the test, I'll do it. So once again, you need the Honorlock extension, and you must have Google Chrome.